Imagine rolling hills, sun-drenched vineyards, ancient cities. This is Tuscany, a place for lovers, a place for romance. Tuscany whispers to the soul. It invites you to slow down, to savor every moment with someone special. This guide will help you plan a romantic weekend in Tuscany, a journey of discovery, a celebration of love. Tuscany is a region in Italy. It is known for its beauty, its food, its wine. It's the perfect place for a romantic getaway. A weekend is all you need to escape the everyday, to reconnect with each other, to create lasting memories. This guide will be your companion. It will help you choose the perfect destination, the perfect activities, the perfect place to stay. Let's start planning your Tuscan love story. Tuscany has many beautiful cities and towns, each offering a unique glimpse into the region's rich history and culture. From the bustling streets of Florence to the serene landscapes of the countryside, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Florence, the capital of Tuscany, is a must-see destination. Known as the birthplace of the Renaissance, it boasts an array of stunning architecture and art. Visit the iconic Duomo, with its magnificent dome designed by Brunelleschi, and marvel at the intricate details of its facade. Walk across the historic Ponte Vecchio, a medieval stone bridge lined with shops selling jewelry, art and souvenirs. As you stroll, take in the vibrant atmosphere and enjoy the picturesque views of the Arno River, especially at sunset. For a truly memorable experience, enjoy a romantic dinner by the Arno River. The twinkling lights reflecting on the water create a magical ambience, perfect for a special evening with a loved one. Siena, another gem of Tuscany, is a medieval city that transports you back in time. Its well-preserved architecture and narrow, winding streets offer a glimpse into the past. Siena is famous for its paleo horse race, a thrilling event held twice a year in the Piazza del Campo. While in Siena, explore its charming streets and indulge in a wine tasting session to savor the local flavors. San Gimignano, a picturesque hilltop town, is renowned for its medieval towers that dominate the skyline. Each tower has its own story, adding to the town's unique character. Wander through the cobblestone streets and discover the rich history and culture that San Gimignano has to offer. The town's towers provide stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Just a short trip from Tuscany, Cinque Terre offers breathtaking coastal views and charming villages. The colorful houses perched on cliffs and scenic hiking trails make it a perfect day trip. Finally, don't miss the charm of the Tuscan countryside. With its rolling hills, lush vineyards, and golden sunsets, it's an idyllic setting for a romantic getaway. Tuscany offers countless activities for couples. Wine tasting. Tuscany is famous for its wines. Visit a vineyard, take a tour, sample the different varieties. Enjoy a romantic picnic among the vines. Cooking classes. Learn to cook Italian food. Take a class together. Prepare a delicious meal. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Scenic drives. Rent a car and explore the countryside. Drive through rolling hills. Discover charming villages. Stop for photos along the way. Al fresco dining. Enjoy a romantic dinner under the stars. Many restaurants offer outdoor seating. Savor delicious Italian cuisine. Sip local wine. Tuscany offers a variety of accommodations. Luxury hotels. Indulge in luxury. Enjoy stunning views. Pamper yourselves with spa treatments. Villas. Rent a private villa. Enjoy privacy and seclusion. Relax by your own pool. Cook romantic meals together. Bed and breakfasts. Experience local hospitality. Stay in a charming bed and breakfast. Enjoy homemade breakfasts. Get personalized recommendations from your hosts. Farm stays. Immerse yourselves in nature. Stay on a working farm. Learn about local produce. Enjoy fresh organic meals. A well-planned itinerary is key to a successful trip. It ensures that you make the most of your time and experience all the highlights of your destination. Start by researching the must-see attractions and activities in the area. Consider the interests and preferences of everyone in your travel group. This will help you create a balanced itinerary that includes something for everyone. Day 1. Arrive in Florence. Check into your hotel. Take some time to settle in and get acquainted with your surroundings. In the evening, Take a romantic stroll along the Arno River. The sunset views are breathtaking, and it's a perfect way to start your trip. Enjoy dinner at a traditional trattoria. Savor the local cuisine and immerse yourself in the Italian dining experience. Day 2. Visit the Duomo and the Uffizi Gallery. These iconic landmarks are a must-see. Take your time to explore and appreciate the art and architecture. Have lunch in a charming piazza. The atmosphere is delightful, and it's a great spot to relax and people watch. In the afternoon, take a cooking class. Learn to make traditional Italian dishes and bring a piece of Italy back home with you. In the evening, enjoy a romantic dinner overlooking the city. The night views of Florence are magical and create a perfect ending to your day. Day 3. Take a day trip to Siena. Explore the city center and visit the Piazza del Campo. The medieval architecture and vibrant atmosphere make it a fascinating place to visit. Have lunch at a local restaurant. Try some of the regional specialties and enjoy the cozy ambience. In the afternoon, visit a vineyard for wine tasting. Tuscany is famous for its wines, and this is a great opportunity to sample some of the best. Return to Florence for your final evening. Take a leisurely walk through the city and reflect on your wonderful experiences. This is just a suggestion. Feel free to adjust the itinerary based on your interests and preferences. Customize your itinerary to your interests and preferences. The best trips are those that reflect your unique tastes and desires. Happy travels. Tuscany is a place to create lasting memories. Capture the moments. Take lots of photos. Document your experiences. Create a scrapbook of your trip. Embrace the culture. Learn a few Italian phrases. Try local specialties. Attend local events. Savor the experience. Slow down and enjoy the moment. Appreciate the beauty around you. Create memories that will last a lifetime. Tuscany is calling. Answer the call. Plan your romantic getaway today. Create your own love story amidst the rolling hills under the Tuscan sun. Start planning, start dreaming. Your Tuscan adventure awaits.